there, my name's Sam with Clean Sweep 317, and right now we are repairing the flashing on this chimney. The flashing on chimneys is one of the main areas where we can start seeing leaks into the home. And so in order to prevent that leak, we need to address all the different components of the flashing to get this right and watertight. So today I want to show you a few of those different components that make up the chimney flashing. So first and foremost, we have an underlayment or an ice and water shield barrier, which is kind of this sticky, rubberized, thick material that actually goes along the side of the structure and out onto the roof decking. Once we have that ice and water shield barrier, we then put down brand new stair step flashing, which is what you see running along the side of the structure right now. Once we have those first two layers put down, we can then start to put down brand new shingles. And as you can see here, we got a really nice shingle match. You really can't see much of a difference. You'll always be able to pick out some subtleties between brand new and original. But as you can see, our goal here is to get something that looks seamless. Finally, once you get down all of that, come with me over here, we get down our final visible layer, which is what you're able to see from your driveway or from the ground, and that's your cap flashing. Okay, we can install cap flashing in many different colors. In this case, we went with a cream. And once you get your flashing, your cap flashing installed, we're then gonna finish everything off with a nice seal. You can see right here in between our mortar joint and our flashing, we have this properly embedded into the masonry. But then we need to go along, we need to seal that so that it's watertight. If any of these areas and these components are not correctly installed by a chimney professional, you can get water. And all it takes is a small gap or a small crack in order for water to start infiltrating your chimney. So make sure you get in touch with a chimney professional. Clean Sweep 317 would love to be able to help you to make sure that your flashing around your chimney is not causing any problems.